Hello everyone, you are watching Naresh IAS Academy YouTube channel. Today we will discuss objective questions for IAS prelims exam from the Indian history section. We are going to discuss these questions from the literary side. In the previous year exams, UPSC have asked different type of questions from the literature side. So we have decided to provide some original questions from the literary part. Question number 1 is, which of the following texts are based on the incident of Mahabharata? The right answer is B. 1 and 2 are correct. Urubhanga, written by Bhas, Indian playwright, and Kartarjuniam, written by Bharbi, who resides in the court of Singh Vishnu, the ruler of Pallab dynasty. Urubhanga mainly defines or describe the incidents how the Duryodhan, son of Dhritarashtra and Gandhari, killed by Panduputra Bhima. And Kartarjuniam, mainly texts have been taken from the Mahabharata story, in which there is a discussion between Lord Shiva and Arjun the Panduputra. Periyapuranam, written by Sekki Lan or Sekki Zan during the Pallab dynasty, not based upon the Mahabharata. Jataka tales are part of which text? The right answer is A. Sutta Pitaka. You know, the Buddhist literature consists a canonical literature of Sutta Pitaka, Abhidhamma Pitaka and Vinaya Pitaka. Further, Sutta Pitaka divided into the 5 Nikaya texts: Dig Nikaya, Majjhim Nikaya, Anguttara Nikaya and खुद्दक निकाय और संयुक्त निकाय. खुद्दक निकाय provides different types of subdivision of Buddhist philosophy, and in which the Jataka tales have describes. Then the Jataka tales are the part of Khuddaka Nikaya, which is also a part of Sutta Pitaka. Which book provides information about the eradication of the Shaka dynasty from India by Chandragupta II Vikramaditya? The right answer is A. This is one only, Devi Chandraguptam, written by Visakh Dutt during the Gupta age, basically a drama book. So this provides information how the Shaka dynasty completely ended by the Gupta rulers Chandragupta II Vikramaditya, and with this the India was freed from the foreign invaders. So the Devi Chandraguptam provides a very significant information about the Gupta rulers and the foreign invaders. Which principles are purely Indian in Panch Siddhantika, a book based on astrology? Right answer is C. This is Paitama and Vasist. Panch Siddhant ka astrology book written by Barha Mihir, a great astrologer during the Gupta age, and the Panch Siddhant ka consists of 5 texts: Romak, Polis. They are the European, while the Paitama, Vasist and Surya Siddhant are the Indians. Kalila and Dimna Persian story is based on which book? Right answer is V. Only second is correct. Panchtantra, written by Vishnu Sharma. The most famous book translated mostly in the European language. Kalila Dimna refers to the jackal, and it was a Persian translation. Through the Kalila Dimna, the Muslim historians or scholars have described the tales and the small texts or stories of Panchtantras. You may continue for remaining questions through our mobile app.